Well, yeah, let's do it sharply. Salute from afar. Sorry, I just had an opportunity to add the YouTube to the discussion. That is why I try to see how to quickly fix this in order or put this in order. Afternoon, and I salute you. Depend on wherever you're going to be seeing this video from. Uh, Sometimes like this, I say followers, you might be doing something important and notification just come into your phone. You want to quickly see what's this guy that who is my friend or a follower doing. Let me quickly see. So you might want to fix some habits. So how anyhow it's gonna look like, we must discuss what we have to do. Discuss awareness today is very easy because we all have an opportunity to jump into the media and say it the way it is. It's unlike before. When you want to hear something, you have to wait for the time the government stations decide to, you know, to broadcast whatever they want to say to you, or to say, to show it on the screen before you hear or write it on the media. And with their instructions, that is where the newspaper they will also do what they want them to do. So I mean, also in YouTube, back to sender or good heart, we're always there doing what we know how to do best to save Nigeria from dying. How are we going to do that? Is by talking. Because if we're not talking, nobody will hear us. The only food or whatever the ears or eyes or the heart, it is our conversations, talking to each other, saying it the way it is. This afternoon, I just want to salute every members of every followers of a good heart of Back to Sender. I thank you all for always being there, and I appreciate you all. I appreciate all your presences for following. This very moment, I just want to quickly use this opportunity to let us see things the way it is, because we in the South zone sometimes we undermine or overlook things that are really important because we see it after all. Let's forget them, don't mind them. We are okay. Yeah, I just want to see the YouTube aspect and it's okay. Send the message everyone. It's okay. It's okay. So please, we undermine things and we don't see things. We don't want to even be bothered or concerned when things are important. All we just do is okay. If that's how they want it, is okay. After all, we have been surviving. After all, we have been always making it. We have been surviving without the government. We have been surviving without the resources of the country. We always survived. We have been surviving, so it's not important. It's not important. We train ourselves in the education sector. We train ourselves In terms of looking for a job, we provide job for ourselves. In our daily living, we provide for ourselves. The electricity we provide for ourselves. The road we provide for ourselves. Education aspect we provide for ourselves. We even pay for the government without teaching us. We don't have any better knowledge to acquire to get from the government. All we get there is just to go and be looking for S or looking for something that is not important. In Nigeria schools, they will be asking you questions about Queen Elizabeth. If you don't know the name of the president of Germany, you fail your exam. You don't know the name of president of Japan, you fail your exam. If you don't know the ministers of a Western country, you fail your exams. Whereas these countries, they are practicing how to turn pineapple juice to become groundnut oil. They are thinking of how to turn, they are teaching their students or their people how to turn our cassava leaves and every other leaves in the farm to be a blessing to the society. That is what they are teaching themselves. While in Nigeria, we are practicing, we are learning how to know the names of these people that who are white people we call westernized countries, the Western countries. So my people, it will pay me, and it will pay me that say yes, we still remain like this in this 21st century. We have been like this from the one, and we still remain the same way till now. And there is no remedy. The reason why I came out this afternoon is this video that I saw, which I know I will be discussing a lot of things anyway, if I have the time, if time permits me. Please, I know a lot of people must have seen this video. They might not want to see it as anything. They might not want to say anything about it. But in good heart platform, we say it the way it is. When you look at this video, you will ask yourself questions. Why is the Northerners are always like this? Why are the Northerners always like this? Anyway, before I say something, let's just rewatch this video a bit. I just want to play a bit of it. You might, if you need it, you might go to Channels station and get it so that you can see it in full.
We have long-term problems and we have immediate problems. The long-term problems, when people talking about constitution, revenue, allocation formula, all these are long-term problems. But today now we are facing a Frankenstein, a monster we created ourselves. And a human would say a second-class Nigerian is treated as a second-class Nigerian. Let's accept. But do you know that there are also third-class Nigerians? When you talk about graduates not having jobs, and this is a time bomb, how about a chunk of Nigerians, a big population of millions that has no even a primary school education?
You on the YouTube, I just want you to see the face. It's not that clear because of the webcam, but you can be hearing the messages.
So the third-class people now is the Frankenstein that we're facing. They respect no religion, they respect no ethnicity, they respect nothing. People talk about a boss burnt in Sokoto State by bandits. When we all know bandits initially, they don't kill people like that, they kidnap people to get money. So what has metamorphosed and turned them into a Frankenstein, a monster that is now trying to kill people just like that for the pleasure of it? Have you asked? For 1 second.
Shut up there first a bit. Shut up first. I don't know if the Satanans really listening to this man. According to him, second class, and he's also talking about second class, first class, third class people. Now, the problems we all have today affect the Satanans. I don't know the positions I will put the Satanans. I don't know the positions, if they are even third class or 20 class. According to him, he said the bandits, what makes them to become radical or, become a bloodsucker. Have you thought of that? Did you ask yourself why they change to start killing people? In the first place, what they normally do before they kidnap, only just kidnap for money. Kidnap for money. You can just hear that. And this man is an authority. He's an authority in Buhari regime, in APC regime. An authority, a man that has all it takes to stop these things that is happening in the Nigeria economies of today. You can hear from his mouth. The bandits were just kidnapping for ransom. And we all know what that means. Kidnapping, you kidnap somebody, you kidnap children. And you don't just kidnap them and put them in a jeep with AC. And you fly them with private jets, with AC, with better food. And you give them birth to lion. You don't kidnap them and put them in a luxurious car, a bus, with AC, and park them and keep them in a place that is well equipped with AC. You kidnap these people without feeding, medication, and they trek from here, from Paris to Italy with barefoot, without food. These people, sometimes you kidnap them, they are on drugs. Sometimes you kidnap people that who know what guns, who have never heard about gun, but they have been hearing about the damage gun can do, with fear and beating, hitting them with all kinds of things, even stabbing them in the presence of others, just for the people that maybe the members of the family members of the people they kidnap, for them to know that yes, they are serious. Shooting and killing, stabbing, hitting them hardly. These are the methods kidnappers use. And this man see these things as just make kidnapping. That they just do that for money. This man did not think that when these people kidnap, they will be asking for a ransom of 100 million, 150 million, 250 million. Million, that's what they always say. And the people you kidnap, their parents have never saw nor see even 10,000 naira in their eyes. At the end, these people will end up selling all sorts of things, borrowing money, doing all sorts of things to make sure they pay the ransom. And you saw these things as a mere kidnapping for money. They don't kidnap government children. They don't kidnap minister children. They don't even kidnap these smart children, Gumi children. They don't kidnap politicians' children. They kidnap poor people, people that have nothing, people that are so poor that cannot even feed one meal a day. These are the people they kidnap. People that who maybe they decide to they had an admission maybe from those state to the northern area. They struggle to get their money, their money to go back to school. What they can use in buying handbag or pay for their institutions. Those money they take them from there. Their parents manage to give them this money. Then they took a bus. In the process, they kidnapped them, and their parents borrow more, even the school fees. Now they will be asking these parents go and bring 100 million, 200 million, and these parents, what are you expecting, Mr. Gumi or Nigerians? Is it not for these people to die? Some of the parents had an heart attack That charge is what the parents is depending on. Hearing that yes, that they have killed him, they have been kidnapping him for more than 3 months now, 6 months. He has not been released. The parents might have heart attack. Some might die in the process. A lot of things happen to the parents or to the family of the one they kidnapped. This man see this as as just a mere kidnapping. Why I'm saying this is, in essence, is when you listen to the full video, it's talking about third class. Have you ever thought of third class citizens? Because it baffles me or it pains me seeing people sitting down, journalists, youth, people that who call themselves that are educated, they are sitting down listening to this kind of person. Nigerians, they are listening to this man vomiting this rubbish, this nonsense out of his mouth, and people are jotting and they are clapping and they are praising him. When you say third class citizens are the Fulani herdsmen, the bandits, the people, no longer, you don't have to call them terrorists. The terrorists, the Fulani terrorists. That's what's supposed to be calling them, not calling them bandits. They are no longer bandits. These are terrorists. You are also a terrorist, Mr. Gumi. Now, you call these people third class citizens. The Satanans I'm talking to you. They call these people third class citizens. We, the Satanans, let's check ourselves or let's explain or let's put ourselves to this man, to this same Northerner that who have come to invade we the old Satanans. They are in our land, kidnapping us, fighting us, killing us, raping us, destroying our crops, destroying our farms, blocking all our roads, where we suppose the roads that we use to do business or wherever we are going, our farm roads, and even traveling from Benin to Agbo to go to the market out on the market, they block everywhere. What is the sin of the Satanans? How has the Satanans been an error? When we're talking about first class citizens, we should look up to you people. The Northerner are the first class citizens. When you want to talk about second class citizens, the same Northerner are still the same people that who are the same second class citizens. When you go to the third class, the same people, they are still the same people in third class citizens. Where we, the Satanner, is, we don't even know. We are nowhere to be found. We are in no positions. We have nothing we're benefiting in the government of Nigeria. If you don't understand what I'm saying is this, I want you to check every offices that matters in Nigerian government, that matters in the land of Nigeria. The Northerner are in the best positions, from judiciary to every sector. The Northerner hold all the best positions. In police, in judge, in Senate, in anywhere, name it or anything you want to just call or mention, they hold the best position. Still, the Northerners, they will be complaining. The Northerners will be complaining. Since 1916 to date, they hold all the best positions. They control everything. You want to go to the CBN, they put the man they want there. That one is just there, just like an image. But this says what happens there. They put the one that they can command, the one they can control. So they control all these people. They put them there. Anyone you see that they brought from the Satanah, they are the one that they just put them there. Because when you check these people, they will still be the same people as they. Undermining, they want to look like they are bearing the name of the Satanah. But these are still the same people. They put everybody they want to be in those positions the way they want it. Now they hold all these positions. Then Mr. Gumi will come out and be telling you and me that, look, have we thought about the third class citizens in the land of Nigeria? And he's looking at the terrorists as the third class. Whereas, when you come to the Satanans, we have nothing benefiting from the government. What we do, we now start to think, how can we take care of ourselves? We start to travel through the desert, Mediterranean Sea, any means we traveled out of the country in search of greener pasture, in search of how we can survive and live. The Satanah are benefiting or depending on the people that who travel out of the country, people that who lives in abroad. That is why we still have the Satanas existing today. Or else, this one the terrorist Fulanis are doing would have just be a May gain. Nothing. They would have seen it. Nigeria would have been on fire for a long time ago. If not that the Satanas, they fight for themselves, they feed for themselves, they care for themselves, they do everything you saw in the land of the Satana by themselves. People paying taxes to the government in the Satana are depending on the people that who in abroad, people that live in abroad, sending money for their parents to trade, to dig their borehole, to do their road, to give themselves light, to give themselves education, to give themselves, to feed themselves, to transport themselves, are the people living in abroad that sponsor everything in the Satan area. Tell me one thing, Mr. Gumi, that the Satana are benefiting from this northern government. That now you people have now carried yourself to the Satana and start kidnapping the Satana, because the Satana's government, they are fools. They don't care. They are still under you people payroll. They still work with you people. They still believe on you people. They still depend on you people for a living. That is why they obey you people. Whatever you people say is what they do in the Satan. Those people you put as our leaders in the Satan area. I want Mr. Gumi to check this. Go back to the northern area and go and check the constitutions. The people that who the constitution favored most. There are golds, there are black stones, there are everything, name it all, in the northern area. And there are things that have been functioning in the northern area, whereas the same northern people come to Satana and direct our oils. Our oils, it's like you just take, they cut for us, just take 5%, and they hold the remaining 30-something% to themselves. Instead of this Gumi with the terrorist men to focus on how to be chasing their northern brothers and sisters, that who are misleading them, that who have enslaved them, that who have put them uneducated, or that who did not build school for them, they now turn it to the Satana. They now start fighting the Satana. The same Satanas that you people have enslaved in all ramifications. I want you all, the Satana, to understand this. The northern people, they might come to, because, before now, the northern people, they don't want to care. They want to remain in that desert. And desert is where they prefer to carry money and bury it. They prefer to bury money on the ground. They misused. They buried money. They don't want to invest. They don't want to plan for their children. And these people, you understand one thing they normally do. As a northern people, you will see that a northern Hausa man or Fulani man will marry about 5 or 10 wives. Among all these wives, some of them will give birth to 6, 8, 10, 12 children. The man will send them away. He don't care. How they grow is none of his business. How they feed is none of their business. He has already given birth to them. You go. He send them away. And these children, they will go to school, it's none of their business. How they are going to clothe is none of their business. They will send those women and their children away. And himself will be looking for another woman again, another 9 years or 13 years old, a girl child to marry, so that he will start pumping children for him again. Children they will not take care of. They have always been doing this. That is why today, when you look at the northern area, the population that Gumi is seeing today, seeing it as if it's a fault of the Satan area, Satana people, that the reason why they did not go to school, the reason why things are not working. I can remember Buhari and Jonathan, they built a better schools for all these people. Even Jonathan were always building schools. Want to see them going to school. Why these people are the people that who are holding the best positions in Nigeria constitution, inside Nigeria economies, they hold the best position. They don't build school, but they give birth like chicken, like dog. Anyhow, they can give birth to children. Anyhow, they want to give birth. They were giving birth without training these children. Without there's no future plan, there is nothing. Now these children grow up, they become a terrorist in the land of Nigeria, inside the Nigeria economies. Mr. Gumi wants Nigeria now. He wants Satana now to come and be the one that who will pay for their school fees, that who will build schools for these terrorists, that who will build houses for these terrorists, that who will create farm for these terrorists, that who will buy cow. The Satana will be the one who will buy cow for the terrorists. The Satana will be the one that who will give them land to farm. The Satana will be the one that who will give them wives. The Satana will be the one that who will buy their biro, their books, everything they need, their uniform to go to school. The Satana will create an hospital for them. The Satana will give them all the kind of living that they want. Whatever they desire, whatever they demand, the Satana will give it to them. That is what Gumi wants the Satana to do for these same northern people that who are hold the Nigeria treasury. These same people that who are in position of all the Nigeria resources. Then he want the Satana that the northerner did not give anything. I have let you see how the Satana have been surviving. They are surviving in their brothers and sisters who lives in abroad. Go and check the houses in my state, in Edo State. It's difficult before you can see a skyscraper. Every house is there you see there is rather 4 flats, the 2-bedroom bungalow, 2 flats, low houses. That's what you see there. That tells you is because the people that build those houses are those that are in abroad. There is nothing that they are benefiting in the government of APC or PDP. So Gumi wants the same Satana to be the one that who will take care of the same all these terrorists, the same northerner, that the same people that who are in charge, that who are holding all the positions, that would have turned Nigeria to be a beautiful more than Dubai a million times. Gumi wants the same Satana to be paying their school fees, even carry them, backing them, carry them to anywhere they want, giving them building toilet, everything on them. Just take care of them. They will be coming bedside. Anyhow, you just be carrying them. You want anywhere you want to carry them to. That is what Gumi wants. Don't honor me. If Mr. Gumi or whatever, if your father is in position of all the resources your forefathers have been in charge of, and your father is in charge now, and your father could not use those things to train you, the children, can you go and be blaming another person for that misbehaving of your father? And your father is in position of all the resources. He has all it takes to build you whatever you want. He has all it takes to give you even private, all the northern, they will have private jets that will be flying them to any direction. They will have what they call nylon tire inside their desert. They will have all sort of buildings, all sort of schools and whatever they want. Anything they want to eat, they will have it. What did Gaddafi, Libya have that the northern people don't have? Gaddafi, Libya, they have desert. The northern people have desert. They have oil. The northern people have it. They have gold. Northern people have it. You people, because of your stupidity and greed, you people tie these things. You keep it for yourself. You people keep your oil, keep your blackstone, keep your diamond. You keep it to yourself. You are eating it by yourself. Because of greed, you take your eyes off all the resources you people have. You now went to go and be looking at that one that have just one oil. The certain people that have just oil. You people now start to you want to go and oppress these people because people in the certain area, we always have leaders that are greedy and I don't know how to describe them. Agberos, stupid people. people that have nothing in their heads. People that who will dance, that will do anything for just peanuts. People that who will dance to anything that once they say, look, if you give me opportunity to control your oil, I will be giving you some allocation. I will put you to become a agbero in the street. I will make you to go and be oppressing people in the market. I will make you to go and be oppressing people in wherever boss whatever that is happening in the city. Claiming people's land. I will make you to, the Southerners are okay with that. Just one we have in the Southern area. Gumi and his northern leaders, they still not satisfied with our abundance that they have in the north. That abundance is not even enough. They are still in the charge of the government. You want to talk of immigration, you want to talk of custom, you want to talk of marine, you want to talk of police, you want to talk of judges, you want to talk of securities, army, you want to talk of business, you want to talk of our exchange, you want to talk of this or the other one, Senate, the DSS or whatever, security aspect. Where did you want to say? You want to talk about the sport or whatever. They are in charge of everything. And these same people will come out and start complaining. You are in the position of everything. It's like you having a child. He said, buy me this, you give it to him. Give me this, he have everything. Everything. Because of the other one just have one. Only one. And he have it more than 10. Because of the way that one is handling that one, maintaining it, you will take your eyes away from the millions you have. You want to go and be dragging that one with that one, just from the other person that who maintains his own. The Southern people don't survive in Nigeria economies. The Southern people don't benefit from Nigeria government, Nigeria economy. They survive by themselves. Go and check the desert today, you will see the Southerners, they are the ones that food there. Hausa and Fulani people, they don't travel. They don't go out of the land. They don't know how to go and struggle for themselves. You see them, they will say, oh, cattle, they read cattle, they read this. The best business that they do is kidnapping people. Kidnapping for a living. Killing people for a living. All sort of destruction. Stealing money from the treasury of Nigeria, put it in on the burial ground. Buying things that are not meaningful. Things that has no meaning, that have nothing to do to their lives. Go and check their garage. They have put all the 2021 model, even 2022 or 2023 model cars, Jeeps, all sort of things, all sort of things. They have loaded them in their garage. They will buy a land of 1,000 plus 1,000. They will plot, they will build it around, they will be installing cars that even your generation to come will not even drive it. Money that even your generation to come will not even use it. Money you don't know, maybe in the before now in 10 years, they have already changed the money. You install it, you keep it. They buried everything, they keep everything. They install in everywhere, in every country. Now, Gumi that is holding a better position in the Buhari government will come out, take his eyes, all these northern people that who are holding Nigeria on the neck, that who is holding Nigeria in the neck, holding everywhere. They are the one holding everything in Nigeria. They will come out and start to be complaining instead of you. I have often said this as a kidnapper. Since you said kidnapper that made business, I want to talk to now will be the kidnapper, Hausa people, Fulani people. Now will be kidnapper. I know say some of the Southerners now don't pre-watch, they do the same thing. I've been saying this. It's just that I made today for Gumi and the northern area. If you have been following my platform, you will see when I'm the one that who have opened it to the world that the Southerners are the problem, are the kidnappers in the southern area. Because there's no way a stranger will come to your land and will understand your house or your territory more than you. It's impossible. Now, I want you people to understand this. If we continue, the Southern people continue to look at all these things as just a mere talk, as just it is not important. Is it not this man? I want you people to revise this message back to Gumi. We, the Satana, we should let him understand that in everything that we live for, we, the Satana, in everything you see in the land of the Satana, were produced by individuals, by themselves alone, by the same people, just as they also give birth to your terrorist Gumi, the northern people, the same way they give birth to the Satana. These people, the Satan people, they decide, they said, we have been with this thing called APN or government. We have been in this same government, we'll be waiting for them. Our parents did not wait for them. We know that right from time. Our parents fed for themselves, take care of themselves, provide for themselves, do everything for themselves. You know right from time, it has always been Satana that will always sponsor their children outside the country, in America, with the money they make from the farm by themselves, their own sweat. They use it training their children. The government of Nigeria has never given nothing back to the people, to the Satana, all because the Northerner, they are always greedy for themselves and themselves alone. They can go there today. You will see an Hausa man, Fulani man, will be wasting money on cattle or wasting money on things that are irrelevant things that does not make sense. Trust the white men that they are dealing with. Those ones we tell them, don't worry, I'll give you 10 cattle. Just let me be drilling your gold. Let me be drilling your oil. They will allow. They don't care. They will be, since that little money is coming, is enough for them. And they will, and their people, the Northern and Fulani people, they are respect into this, their eminent or whatever they call them, all these their imam, all these their people. They respect them, that they are ready to bow down to whatever they say. Now, Gumi turn it, you want to come and oppress the Satana because our Satan leaders, rulers and the government in the Satana, they turn an imbecile to themselves. If we are to take action, they will not take action. But once they find that the poor people are doing something that, because they are hungry, they went there to go and steal yam or cassava or plantain to feed. You will see them with actions. You will see them the way they will be beating that innocent man or innocent woman, or because of his stole tomatoes or his stole food items. You will see our police, the way the way they will act. You will be asking yourself, what offense has this person committed? The Satana are always ready to sacrifice what the people are supposed to be benefiting from, all in the name of they want to have power, giving Nigeria resources, those state resources or certain resources to the government, to these people, just for them to live, to be in that position of a government or of a leadership. You will see then the best business we have in Nigeria, in those states or certain areas, is either past hairdressing salon, tailoring, weather, mechanic panel beatings, fashion design, and what they call it, furniture. These are main things that they do in the certain areas. These people, they struggle for themselves. They create everything for themselves. Come, Mr. Gumi, come and ask, how do we get light in the certain area? Come and ask, how do we get water in the certain area? Come and ask, how do they survive in the certain area? If not people outside the country that your people are buying private jet to travel to go and be wasting the money. Our people travel there, they do all sort of business, all sort of manner of jobs, cleaning toilets, doing all sort of things just to survive, to create those things you are seeing in the certain area today. We don't benefit from the oil. We don't benefit from whatever. But you people are in charge. You people are in charge. So I'm talking to the kidnappers. I want you kidnappers to understand one thing. Terrorists, I want you people to understand one thing. If Gumi is there, sweet talking you people, some of the northern people or the chief or whatever, they are sweet talking you people. You people should, or government or senators, they are sweet talking people. You people should understand that these people are all liars from the pit of hell. They are just lying to you people. You people, maybe una not know, they are talking the one to understand. Maybe una not they understand. Una not supposed to dey block road. If una even block road, make una dey pose question. Where you come from? You with this man or you this woman. If you say Satan, I know una release them. But once you hear say na from that north, those una area, make una kidnap them. If una don kidnap them, ask am whose person be your papa? Whose person be your mama? Your father don dey work for inside government, or your father don be one of the rural area chief or whatever. If una confirm say na him, make una kidnap those ones. Release those ones wey their parents never do anything, wey be farmer, wey be poor people like we wey be the Satan. Make una release them. But those ones wey don work for inside government, make una kidnap those ones. Because for the north, if una no know, na una people na im dey in charge of every money wey dey come out of Nigeria. That Satana wey Gumi dey come play una dey talk about, say Satana. In short, say now una be the third this thing for third this thing for Nigeria. Na lie. Na lie. Una no see position wey Gumi hold. He say him build school, come do this. Una know how much he carry. Wey dey carry every day. Both the one una dey kidnap, they come give am ransom. Una know how much they make every day. Ask am where they bury the money put. His children and his family, they are okay. But una now just dey inside bush there, they roast. If only Gumi and his like, those northern people, then they make them build school for una. In short, una school supposed to be like, I don't know how I want to describe it. It's supposed to be like the Aso Rock, the building in Aso Rock. And they will still get more than enough change that we build schools, we create road, we give una light, give una water, anything. They even they feed una five times a day. Una people, the northern leaders, they have all this money. It did their circle. It's hard time we begin do it right than we dey do am in the other way around. Because these big men, they want to do you, make una not see the right thing, just to see the wrong side. They come preach, una not see the northern, the southern people, they oppress una, they call una third party, or third this thing in the land. They don't rectify una, they don't know una, they don't recognize una, the southern people don't recognize una, they don't allow una to go the carry farm or come the carry una cattle, they come their side, they don't allow una make them, they don't let una come get a grazing this thing, free grazing, wey una dey feed una cattle. Now Satan and help you una problem. No, that is wrong. They just use this one to dey play una. With the kind money and wetin God take bless una land, the northern area. All of una, if una say una no go even short, if una say una no go, una no supposed to dey suffer. All una desert, una see Dubai, all una desert supposed to get AC, get better houses, get better roads than so una desert supposed to be. Una supposed to get, in short, get better place for ranching, for everywhere. The money wey dey the north, na only una side, gold dey o, blackstone dey, oil dey, everything, sand o, rock o, everything na una side, everything. God bless una land. But a few of these people like Gumi, that they just dey thief am, they just circle am for themselves. Go check the Chinese people wey dey operate, wey dey blast una stone, dey blast all una, dey thief all una oil, dey thief una black dam, dey thief everything, una dime, una gold. Go check am, then get partnership with all these people. All these people wey una get for north wey be una leader. Go check other Western country, then get houses. Go check Saudi Arabia, they get filling station, they get all sort of business. They manufacture, they create everything. They even get refinery of their own as dem greedy reach. They now turn una wey be north, come say una no see am, Satan and not let una come dey carry una cattle. They not show una where una dey feed una cattle. They come carry down and take put for una face, take dey play una. So Satan and come dey call una third party. You know, they not give una uniform, they not show school, they not give una school. Who give the Satan people school? Who build school? You don't see now Buhari build school for certain people. If you want to check am, not be the same way we get state for the certain area, not be the same place. Una all sef na the small state sef na small state na cut into 20 so that make allocation for the enter of una pocket. Still, they still not build things for una. They still do not take care of una. They come dey tell una say na certain people na not give una opportunity go una get grazing land. Now they not come build school for una. What about the allocation, the money where all this gas, those northern leaders they get? How do they do it? So make una turn una kidnapping to them. If una no dey look television before, from now una no dey lis ten to radio, make una begin watch, dey read news, make una carry sabi read inside, make you dey check the names of those people wey be traditional ruler, wey dey lead every position for una land for the northern area. Wey dey all the position, both police and army and everything in the state. Go check, you hear seaport for Lagos. Now, then go check am. If you wan go check all the stars, whatever stars, whatever, anything wey dey happen for the north, na dem dey in charge of everything that is happening in Nigeria. So, I just beg una, make una refocus, have a rethink, do the needful, and fight the real fight. No let dem come dey play una, dey turn una against the Sata people. Say na Sata people na not give una grazing space, make una for greed. Na the same northern people na dem, na dey call una third person or even see una as irrelevant. Not be certain people be una problem. So Gumi is number one problem we una get. For a such man to call kidnapping just to make kidnapping for a living, una no see am say na wicked, na even devil sef dey respect Gumi and Lai Mohammed. Devil dey respect them because they are worse than even the devil himself. These kind of people, then they talk say, oh, we should check wetin make problems, wetin make confusions, wetin make Nigeria come dey this situation where we find ourselves today. If we want to really check about this Boko Haram or these terrorists, how it happen, just like Obasanjo wey destroy Nigeria, because that one just get sweet mouth. If he talk, if he play mocking or he play mocking, monkey go come down from the anywhere e dey come take banana from Obasanjo hand. If you listen to Obasanjo, you go think say na him be the Messiah. He don rule Nigeria many occasions, not just in presidency, different occasions. There are more people wey put Nigeria inside these circumstances, inside this problem wey we dey today. I don't know why people dey listen to all these people. I don't know why people dey still dey see these people as their helpers, their Messiah, as who go come help Nigeria, bring Nigeria out of the problem. Make una check these things. According to Obasanjo and Gumi and every other people, all of them, wey dey talk, they say to resolve this issue, just like Gumi talk, he say we need to recheck, or some of them check. We need to check this. Say we need to take care of these people. You go see say if we take care of these people, things go work. Make we check the time wey this problem take start. If we get better government, all these problems wey we just talk now, we go check when it take start. If we get better soldiers, we get better securities agents, both from police to the end. We get better securities agents. We get better lawyers. We get better people wey be say go fit talk or fit do the right thing. Make dem check. Dem go say Western country, other country get the same terrorists, other country get the same thing. Make we all check when this thing take come into thing wey we come dey today wey we no fit get out of it. Make we check when it take start and how it take start. You go see say the army leader, general wey dem put, you go from there check am. You go check police, you go check am. You go check the ministers, go check all of them. Check all of them, begin check all of them. When they enter, how this thing, which time they enter, where this thing they start. We have to check from all these areas. Rub mind with terrorists, build school for them, give them money, train them, they help them, they feed them. That will not change nothing. You are only building problems. You are building bomb that go consume everybody. Pikin when e be say You not let her understand, say in the morning that they greet the father. Say in the if you chop finish, go pack plate, come up for ground. Say if he grow, he need to go work to get money to take live. He need to struggle for himself. He need to wash him cloth wey he wear. Pikin wey you no let am know all these things. Tomorrow you dey expect am say, and you now you go give am house hair, give am somebody. Yes, okay. Ooh la la. You go give am person wey be say dey take care of am, dey take care of all these things, and you dey pay this person say another person pikin na person born this person now you say make you go dey take care of all these people, make you dey take care of this your pikin. After you don train your pikin come reach 21 or 18 years on this kind of circumstances inside this situation, e come grow like that. Say yes, na everything na you dey care for am, na so you take train am up. Then tomorrow you can't expect am make e grow, make e know how to work. The only thing wey you teach am how to destroy cars, how to drive expensive cars, how to use gun, how to go and in short collect money, go club, go dey enjoy, how to wear new things without knowing how to struggle, how to get it. After that pikin grow, you dey expect am say make e come sabi all these things wey dem dey do for the land, make e come know how to baff or come know how to wash cloth or come even know how to economize or to come know anything or to come know say yes dem dey even carry how to change tire for your motor wey tire burst or even know when to change oil. It's impossible. That child will grow up to become nuisance. E go end up inside drugs. E go end up inside crime, inside things wey be say e go bring problem to the land. So as Gumi talk, if true una begin give money, begin feed all these people, second, third class citizens, as him want am. If you begin take care of these people the way you just want am, say yes, government na government property, and government property wey you dey talk now, government no dey take care of the south people, south people. But he want these people to be a government property, and government should fight for them, should take care of them, because since so years they have been like that. And he forget say the same south people, they have been like that, the same thing. It's just that these people, they don't fold hand, they struggle for themselves. Go reach water, go reach everything wey dem dey live with. When you see them say dem wear, they struggle for it by themselves. Then these northern people, these Gumi terrorist men, children, they want them to just come out. It go be government property. Government need to build, take care of them, take care of everything. You are building bomb. As you settle these people now, you don't settle them. Tomorrow they are going to come back again. It's like Edo State now. They go say, look, now we need to give an opportunity to the same Demoshomole, make them come back again. And people like Tinubu, people like Atiku, make them come back again. These people they don't already know how to destruction, how to beat people, to force people to collect land, to collect everything. How to spend money just to waste money, they build hotel or they go build wetin no make sense. They spend money, they buy one car wey be say you no get road wey you wan drive the car pass. Then you put these people back to power. You dey expect make the economic or make the country turn to Dubai or make it turn to Western country. It's impossible. It's impossible. So as Gumi want am now, make we do everything possible to make sure say all these Fulani terrorists, make we gather their government property, make government they wear the pampers, make it they take powder till they rub their face, make they bath them, make they not they use their hand till they bath, make it be say na government property, na certain people go dey take charge of am. Then if we don't perpetuate, give them all this opportunity, make we take care of them finish. At the end, when hunger go bite them for belle again. Maybe the next government, just like Niger Delta, when the oil thing with them, be say Goodluck Jonathan, Abi Yaradua settle them. When the one will come, not come settle them. When hunger bite them, we are not see wetin dey happen next. So the same people, as Gumi want now, if we pack all this for now, government say, okay, make government begin take charge of una. Government don dey take charge of una. Tomorrow, another government come, e no come take care of una the same way. You no know say other children wey dey come born, trust Hausa people, trust Fulani people, they sabi born. They sabi give their women belle. They can give belle anyhow. Then they born as they anyhow, then they born. Na crowd one person dey born crowd. So that opportunity where Gumi want, once you don't give them such opportunity, you'll see that they born anyhow, get children everywhere. Then tomorrow they'll come plenty more than the way they be. They not even get free money now as you they talk and now. Since now people not they give them money, not build school for them, not they give them money. They leave them for inside bush. Then they born like this. Then be like this. If they can't get opportunity of money, and now government now they pack their shit, they take care of them. Tomorrow that government can't come out. The one way can't come, not can't take care of them. Those children wey dem born and every other thing, they see how their papa, their parents take oppress government, take dey kidnap people, take begin disturb the economies, take dey do all sort of nasty things, take dey kill people, dey suck blood, dey rape. They see am say government come settle them. Don't you know that these same people, they say children wey you born for inside where you dey do rough thing, you suppose to expect say if you born 3 children inside where you dey do bad thing, you know suppose to know say about 2 of them go copy wetin you dey do, even do am more than you. So now, if Nigeria people, the southern people wey no want to see all these things and quickly shut this man up, quickly tell them make dem shut up, make dem no repeat that thing again, make dem no bring this people inside, say make government come take care of them. Make una lis ten. If una don perpetuate these people, don give them this opportunity, make government dey change their pampers, dey give them pampers, dey give them food five times a day, dey change their clothes, give them different cars, build school for them, buy books for them free, everything free, make dem take dey live. If una don do am finish, their children go grow up. Tomorrow the next Satana or the next government wey go come, e no come take, e come see am say this thing na stupid thing. You know, if they do these things, these people supposed to work by themselves, supposed to struggle by themselves. These people have everything in the land. Their government, they get everything. How come they not they use and fair for them? Now this man say he not go continue that way. They settle them, they give them free things on the estimate of other people, the certain people. He go say he not go do. Then their children when they born inside that same problem, inside that same way. Now you will see all of them will begin vex. Tell me wetin go happen to Nigeria by then. This one wey dey say kidnapping, dem go rest more. E go come be every seconds and every minute thing. Because dem know say na so their parents do am, na dem take get all these opportunities wey dem get, maybe the things wey dem can't get. Now as e come change now, so they need to go back to that same way. Gumi, you should see these things, not you seeing it the other way. Second class or third class citizens. The Satana people have no class at all. We not get class. Now we dey fed for ourselves. Now we create everything we have by ourselves. Go back to history and go and look at the Satana. Make you go check the Satana people how they are surviving. Go check Niger Delta and go see how oil destroy their land. And now they in charge of the oil from the north. Instead of una to go ahead and start kidnapping all those una northern leaders, start destroying all those una northern children, and start focusing on una northern people wey dey thief, una dey come carry una body one come put for certain people area. So if you train those people and you thought these people will change, if they have school education, once if they don't get education, they will come change. Who tell you? There's no way they can change. Anything that makes any government coming in again, not can continue, they feed them as usual. They will go back. This time, they don't even get brain, they will come do more than essence. They say they don't get brain and that they manufacture bomb by themselves. Now that they manufacture guns, now that they do all sorts of things. All the nasty things in the government today, now that they manufacture and that they create them. The best 419, if you check out for media, now some people, they do all these things. What about if they can't get education and tomorrow you not continue to defeat them? Where will you live then? How will you live Nigeria? In debt. So make I not just come go dey emphasize or dey talk about only that one. I get another person when I would like to show. Say, make now listen to that.
They have women too. They have children too. Have you asked for 1 minute now what happens to their children when we are bombarding the elders? What happened to their children when we are bombarding the elders? You are talking about when they kidnap school children. Don't you ask, okay, which school their children go to? Because we don't have answers to this. That's why we are surprised. Well, if we have embraced them as Nigerians and extend to them what we extend to Nigeria, or at least give them hope, just hope, you'll see a difference.
Shut up. I not get too much battery for this phone. Who give the Satana hope? You can just hear this man just kidnapping for a living. If to say the sad people, Satana people decide, say, since government not they take care of them, may they not they travel go abroad, may they not they travel they go another country, even Africa country, go they do all sort of things to take survive, to take train their brothers and sisters. All of them still come fold down, say make them fold down, say na cattle they rare, and after cattle they now to enter kidnapping. How you think say this country go be Gumi and the northern people? How una think say the country go be if all the southern people say make dem act like una so no dey travel, because na we una call prostitute, na we una call all sort of name. If to say we still fold our hands say yes, we no want to do all these things like una do, wetin una think say go happen? Sorry, I just want to try to plug this phone. Yes. How una think say everything go be? Sorry, YouTube. I see because I just plugged this thing, so it disturbed. How una think say the whole thing go be, my people? How? Everything would have been upside. Nigeria would have been upside down. Maybe by night for better, we for put better person. Not be all these ones where be say go promise they fail. Not be all these ones where be say go talk, go left, then they do go right. Talk go right, they do go left. A president that come in, a regime that comes in, where he promise you and me, say, Jonathan na a very stupid man, na sluggish man, na this, na that, call her all sort of name. Go Jonathan regime. Say if they come, everything will become a thing of the past. All suffering will be a thing. They are coming to wipe the people of Nigeria chairs away. Till date, everything worst times million. You can't buy nothing in the land. You can't drive your car freely in the night, in the land. You can't go anywhere freely in Nigeria. You can't, nothing, everything is upside down. Everything, light, everything is just the other way around. It can't be like saying, now they make people, they listen to Obasanjo, they listen to Atiku, they listen to the same people. So I want to beg all Nigerians to understand this. I don't know what I don't want to understand. Say, before PDP or APC, there has always been existence of Nigeria. Nigeria has always been there. Let us look away from these people. We have all saw and we have seen, we have witnessed the best of all these people. These people create terrorists. These people create bandits. These people create 419. These people create laziness. Government create anything you can ever imagine or name or ever think. They create it to Nigeria society today. The whole problem, the government created. So why not we begin from now to think on how to think away from these people? If I see somebody they talk about in the PDP or the other one APC, it they pain me. Because, and if I see people today, they do everything to bring APC back or PDP back. One come praise PD or APC say na APC or this, that. And they talk away from all these people. I know they like these people. I know they like such a person. Why? Because you don't see the best of all these people. The worst you can get from these people is only on how to bring their people in. Once they come in, the same way they have been living in the system, the same way they will continue. They know how to create small things. Wait, this not make sense. It's like somebody will want to say today, hey, during Shomole regime, this one, the other one, the other one. I want you to go back to the state and go and check those things, if those things are still in good form. If somebody can govern you or rule you, if they do something, there is nothing like say, this company, now you build this school. This engineer, now you build this, now you construct this road. These people now do this water fountain. These people now roof this building. So they don't tell us say this building or this roofing, this road, this light is going to spend 50 years with guarantee. At the end, if e be say dis road wey dem tie so e no come stay 1 year e spoil, you go back and call dem and hold dem accountable for it. Dis roof or dis school, you come reach there, e don come stay as e suppose to be, everything come dey scatter, you go back to the construction company and hold dem accountable. If dis people dem no fit leave anything like that before dem leave office, don see dis people to be honor or even praise in any time, any day. Anytime I saw that, e pains me. I was listening to this man.
Implementation with integrity is the heart of good governance and not just good intentions. Edo or classic MOU. The saying that Edo no dey carry last is true when it relates to political awareness. But it's just
This man talk about Edo State. I so much impressed. A good criticism is very good. If you dey talk am now and you dey hit the government like this, no be say you get another side say yes, it to say na the previous man, previous people. If for not be like this, or one go see. I have never seen anything I fit bring out today say see wetin the previous people do, apart from opportunity to agberos, opportunity to talks, to curtis, to all the people that who have caused problems in the land, giving them opportunity. I expect to say yes, I give them opportunity, na im make them stop stealing, na im make them stop crime, na im make social crime not happen. Did you know the damage you have caused to the land today? The damage you people have created or caused in the land is what we are facing today. You make these people to sell the whole land. You make these people how to teach people to put people into the wayward life where they dey today. You make these people to think to make other people wey be say some wey be get brain to focus on education, wey be get brain to say to work very well in that office. You make these people to think that yes, if you dey on the street, you will be richer than even somebody who have degree, who have first class paper, who dey work for government office. You make all these people to think that yes, being along the road, being on the streets, you will be better than these people. And true, this is now this one are wetin dey pack into the societies. If you dey praise or you dey try to praise these people today, my people, I see all these things as very wrong. Let us not praise these people. These people, they have all done wrong. They have all destroyed the economy. They have all destroyed the land. So if we dey talk about anything when we want to change or good today, we need to from now to talk about bringing in a fresh person. You as you dey talk, just as I dey sometimes if I complain, so how many minutes, I go find another solution, way out. We all know say yes, there are people that who have the heart of the land in their heart. People that who meant well, people that know where they plan say for future. People wey get say yes, vision of tomorrow. We know all these people, but not all these people wey be say go just come do small thing, and the other side do exploit and destructions in the land. That is what we have been seeing. So if anybody dey praise the previous government, my brother, have a rethink. I want you to check it very well, because if these people leave something good, we supposed to dey see am. When you say leave something good, now waiting today, if you come to the Western country, now waiting the previous people wey hold office leave, now everybody dey benefit on today. These people wey you dey praise wey be previous, show me one thing wey dem leave wey we dey benefit. How has Edo people been living from the one? How has Igbo people have been living from the one? They struggle for themselves. The people in abroad are the one that who is helping them out. We dey suffer for ourselves. Una no know say na we just common to give government to give common water and e dey the land just to buy the machine wey be say go dey give us water reservoir. We no fit do am. Not to talk of road, Not to talk of say one education system wey be say tomorrow wey you fit depend on. One office today wey you fit go to say yes this thing. Na even Obaseki today dey try to plan some of these things now. So my people, I want you to check all of them and recheck again and check all these things. People wey no fit do all these things now, na be people wey you dey praise. They build school, they do one road, e put one thing there wey be say today, if you go check the thing, it's no longer in use. Na we go dey praise. Make we begin think away from these people because you no expect these people to bring a different person inside the party. If PDP advocate for their members, is going to act like the one we have been seeing. If APC advocate for their members, they are going to act as the one we have been seeing. Today, there's a House of Assembly for those states. They never see fit give. You see some places in those states, some of the allocations or whatever area. Things are not functioning there because they now appoint the people they represent them. So communities, they now appoint, they never bring them in. You do expect anything different from these people? If the same party bring people, you do expect anything different? They will always create problems where they say they themselves go they benefit. You know, say they know how to benefit for that problem. Why you, the commoners, will they pass through the head? Everything increase, now you they hit for head. Everything pain, now you they hit for head. Every sorrow, every pain in the land. If they increase money, they want to draw money, they want to tax money, now you they do everything. So make we think away from these people so that we will feel survive, so that we will feel live. So now here, I don't want to emphasize or talk about these things too much because I don't talk to one when I fit talk for now. Then maybe next time, because you get one when it's just important, my people. I dey watch one program. I see how pastor they marry everybody wife. They give wife to everybody. He go take from this person wife, from this person family, he go marry the mother of member father, he go marry the children of the same mother. Then children and mother go become a rival to each other. He go marry all of them, they marry all of them and they give them. When he don't use finish, he go they give back to the members in the church. Go they pack, they give them, make them they use. I want Apostle Sule, Apostle Johnson, Apostle Alfred and the rest, and every other activist out there. The day when I want prepare to talk about this is so that I will show more to una, so that make una foresee. Then waiting make me talk these things. Then if you can't come, when the people they confessed, they can't let us they know say this church where they Imo, where they the land of Igbo side, it don't get branches. Not just branches, it don't get branches for Edo State. No wonder you will see some churches. A lot of people for Edo State, they don't turn them to useless. They don't turn them to the working cops because all these people, these kind of places, sometimes when they take our eyes away, they say government, not knowing that even the people, so-called pastors, they don't frustrate the state. They don't turn everything to become where they say nothing will work, nothing you will do for the land where it will work. So if such a branch or such a church that who is called even get your own mortuary, burial ground where they bury people put. So this same kind of church where they that side, the east, it don't dey Edo State. It don't dey inside Edo State for long, and it don't they operate, and they don't they do the same thing. So we not gonna know where our problem is. Sometimes we go they think say now only government, not know it's a religion. The same thing they happen there. So now waiting I go come pass message when I will come to the government, to the Edo State government, so that may they begin find the names. I want to check the names so that may they begin find the names of these churches where they did, so that may they find, may people go do investigation, ask the member how things be for them. We will talk about that when time comes. So God bless you now. As soon as take the listing. I know say you too, you thank you now they do what you know they do. It's none of my business, but life must goes on. Thank you for listening and God bless you all for now. Bye-bye for now. So Mr. Gumi, understand one thing. The northern people, northern kidnapper, Fulani, understand one thing. Una own suffer, it better. Our own, now worst. Now we they take care of ourselves. Now we they school ourselves. Now we they do everything for ourselves. Even the school come the side people. School not there where they go. Nothing. Now we they take care of all these things. If the government wey we get for southern area, dem no build all those things. Allocation wey dey come the north is bigger than the southern area. So make dem no let dem come dey tell una say, hey, dem no let una southern people no give una greasy route, no let una come dey carry una cattle dey come, na im be the problem. No, that is not the problem. Ask dem all the money wey dey una north, why una no use am take do all these things? Dubai no na desert. Today dem dey take care of cattle, the cow, and their cow na im dey big pass, na im dey get better flesh, get everything. How dem take do am? Ask una northern people. Dem get the resources, dey richer than those people, dey richer than western country, but dem keep the money for themselves. Their children dey drive the latest car. If a white man just do car out, maybe 50, inside that 50, na dem wan do reach a model car, say 2030, na dem wan start to exhibit or show the car out. Nigeria, una northern people, una go buy 49 for inside the car. Only one senator, one governor, one of una royal chief, dey pack am full inside their dis things. Go check all the customs, all the southern people, the goods wey dem dey bring come from abroad, all the things wey we dey bring come from abroad, the northern people, all of una go check una all Hausa people warehouse. Dem get different warehouse. Dem don seize everything finish. Na dem still dey rob us. Still na dem still dey oppress us. So we are already a victim before una even start una own. So make una face una own northern people. Na una leader na be una problem, not southern. No let dem dey come tell una say southern people no give una place wey una wan for come feed una cattle, no give una grazing route. Na be the problem. The problem is this una, all those Gumi, all those people wey dey come talk una like Muhammad Buhari, na dem be una problem. Make una focus on them and begin kidnap them, kidnap their children, kidnap their people. You una see say everything go work well. Make una dey demand for one thing. Make dem use the money, all the things, the gold, everything una get for the land, take do something for the land, not for them to go and be schooling, sending their children to Mecca, sending their children to other Arab countries, go dey train their children, go get houses, go get estate for other countries. Some of una northern people, dey get estate for America, estate for a different country, get where dem for dey manufacture, dey build, dey create, dey do all sorts of things, get all sorts of things, dey get am for another country. But dem go come here, come dey wear one agbada, dey hold one stick, dey play una. So make una have a rethink, and God bless una as una do, as una hear, as una do.